Hi, this is David Azimi. I'm standing here with Ali today. We're super excited to present to you 5758 Tournament Court in Tracy, California. This beautiful property offers a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2,300 square feet. I have Ali here. I'm going to ask him a couple of quick questions. Ali, tell me about this property.
Well, I love that it's a brand new house, so you don't really have to worry about any systems going out, any remodeling. It is a move-in ready property in the community of Tracy Hills with all amenities. I mean, I can go on forever, but just to list off a couple: residence clubs, dog parks, pools, trails, walking trails. Everything you need is right here in this community, right next to the 580. So if you're commuting, it's even easier for you.
Wow, you said so well. I'm so proud of you. The best thing to do now is let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Well, we thank you for watching the beautiful property, 5758 Tournament Court in Tracy, California. If you have any further questions, I have Ali here, myself. You can reach us via text, email, or a quick phone call. But before I go, I'm going to ask Ali one more question. Ali, what is the most lovable thing about this property that you love?
I would say that it's just the community itself. I mean, you have the top-rated schools, even though Tracy is not well known for the top rated. You have Monticello and Jefferson, which are both highly rated. So that's pretty good for people who are moving out of the Bay Area and still want their kids to get a good education.
Well, he said it so well. So if you have any further questions, you know what to do. Catch you on the next one.